As Jodel Fuentes started this game for them. LJ Gonzalez and Alvin Abundo are out as mentioned by Megan Cabrera. Ken Osicos with his signature jumper.
Oh, that's money for Ken. For Ken.
As an engineer himself, he has perfected the trajectory of the mid-range.
Bigat pa kasi right now, makikita mo medyo tentative itong Huskers sa kumilos in terms of attacking. Kasi galing sa mabigat na laro eh. Alam mo yun, Coach Eric Gonzalez. Because remember, another guy that plays like that, shoots a lot of 3 points and plays with defense very well. Si Francis Tamsi.
Right. Who they dearly miss, by the way.
Oh.
And even us, he's been gone for quite a while because of a knee injury. But Tamsi has always been present in the games. Ayun siya, naka-stripe. Kung nakita ninyo ng mabilisan before this jumper. The third jumper in this game, all from mid-range. From engineer, Ken Osicos. And Bulacan is still looking good. Yep. Ken Osicos in the previous game versus Negros scored in double figures. He has actually reached double figures in 6 of the last 7 games of the Bulacan Cuyas, after he only reached double figures once in the first 10 games of Bulacan in their campaign. Let's hear an engineer Ken Osicos story from Megan Cabrera.
Migs, Ken Osicos says as one of the kuyas of the team sa Bulacan nga, di lang itong larong ito ang nasa isip nila, pero pati na rin yung mga susunod na season kung saan improvement talaga ang pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin. Lalo na para sa mga mas batang players, at proud kuya nga raw siya kapag nakikita niya ito na nagmamaterialize para sa mga juniors niya. Take for example, Nino Ibanez na teammate ni Ken noon pa man sa TIP hanggang sa Bulacan. Kahit nga nasa magkabilang panig na raw sila ngayon, proud siyang nabibigyan si Nino ng pagkakataon sa mas malaking team. Migs and Coach Louie.
And that's why up until this day, there's a nice bond between Nino Ibanez and the Bulacan Cuyas. Coach Louie.
Iwan ang ini-implement nitong Huskers. Pero again, if you have a big guy that can shoot that ball from the nail, ito yung medyo magandang baon mo against the 1-3-1.
So that's 8 jumpers. Or sorry, 8 points, 4 jumpers for Ken Osicos. And there's the counter by Mayor Mark Alcala.